Hello everybody, I thought I'd do a quick video to show the DB9 that I've currently got in the garage. This is awaiting 3 days worth of treatments, beginning tomorrow actually. So I thought before I start the proper video I'm going to do a little walk around, show you what, you see looking at this here through this strip light you would think that it's in reasonable condition, isn't it? But I'm going to show you. So you've got your typical water spot in there. Well, that'll only be the rain, I would say. So like I say, so this is in for 3 days. It's in for a 2-stage correction, followed by the matrix. Whoa, spot that. Right on the lip as well. I have to be careful with that, but I can reduce it. Yeah, 3 days. 2 of the days will be correction, or 2.5 days, and you switch these lights off. And if I was to put this on the paint, I'm going to show you what we're dealing with. This actually looks really bad on camera, but it's not great. But a lot of this is marring, it's quite fine, unless it's hiding some sharper defects underneath. This should actually be quite straightforward to correct. So if you imagine applying a ceramic coating, so you wash the car, decontaminate it, and then maybe do a hand polish or something, you'd still be left with this mess. This has to be completely removed. Things like this, I'm just doing a walk around tonight, so it saves me a little job tomorrow. This here is it's not bad actually. It looks worse than it is. Yeah, so it saves me a job tomorrow. See under here, look. These are all like under here. These are all the things that, you know, when you stood looking at the car from here, you wouldn't tend to, really notice. Not many people would come up to a car and start looking at it from this angle unless you're a detailer. So things like that, make up the final job once everything's done. I'm going to document this car. I haven't done one for a long time. I have been meaning to. It's just things are so busy. Picking up a camera to document a job is. By the way, if you can hear that, that's my garage door. Well, you will be able to hear it because it's damn noisy. So again, you see the movement there. I'm really looking forward to getting on with this car. You're there, you're there. See me? Whoa. Yeah, I've been wanting to do. I wanted to do a video for a while. I haven't done one for a couple of years actually. A proper one like this is going to be. The last one that I did was on a Porsche, and it was a car that was delivered from. Well, I'm not going to say where it's delivered from, but from Porsche dealership. And it arrived absolutely atrocious. It was awful. And I spent 4 days. 3.5 of those correcting the paint, and being Porsche, it was typical sort of sticky paint. It was tricky to deal with, and then coated in ceramic, and at that time it was G-Technique. The owner, actually, what I found out later was that he sold the car not long after I'd completed all this work, because he said that the car was so perfect. And it really was. It came up absolutely beautiful. That he didn't dare wash it. He didn't dare do anything with it, and so he actually just sold it because it was too much upkeep. It wasn't a show car, but I've made it look like a show car. So as much as that being a compliment, it was disappointing to hear that he'd sold it after all the work, and he was so delighted with it. So he went and bought an Audi S3. But anyway, that's. I'm actually going to re-upload that video to YouTube tonight, and get that back online. I removed it with my old YouTube channel. So yeah, so the subject for the next 3 days is the DB9. Like I say, 3 days treatment, 2-stage correction, matrix black ceramic. So that's ready to go. Which is awesome. Awesome for matrix black. Noise in here. So tomorrow, 8 o'clock, I'll be cracking on with the Aston, documenting each step. You've seen the damage on the car. This thing is going to look unreal, absolutely unbelievable when it's finished. And my favourite part of all this actually is the owner's reaction. When they come and collect this car from here, that's absolutely the best part of the job for me, is the owner's reactions. Absolutely love doing it, and I cannot wait to get stuck in. So I thought I'd just do a very quick video, and then following on from this will be nothing. I'll just be filming, and then sort of maybe Saturday get the final video uploaded. So thanks for watching. I hope it'll be of the video coming up will be of interest to you, and catch you soon.